Hey, welcome back. Midweek episode, maybe 2, 1, I don't know. Anyway, midweek. Yeah, got a few hours, so I thought I'd do a little video. I was hoping to find somebody who's asking me when I'm putting some supports in here. I've got some sheet left over from a previous car that's had the old holes punched into it. Gussets. Gussets. But I think I've left that down the container. So by the time I've gone down there, come back and got that, my time's gone. So what we're going to do is going to work on the exhaust back box because I haven't finished welding it. I know it's not a favourite, it's not my favourite really. I part of like it, but actually I know I can do better or get a different back box at some point. But it is what it is. We've got it, it's free. We just need to sort of join the last bit up with a bit of a hammer and some dodgy welding. And yeah, it'll just do for now. So let's go check that out. Don't even know what I'm having for tea yet, but hopefully by the end of the video I've thought of something and we'll figure that out. Got loads of leftovers. Okay, love it or hate it. Most people hate it, but it is what it is. It's the exhaust. So originally that was the Subaru back box that pointed straight out this way. But obviously Metro's a lot shorter. So for now I found some old 3-inch 90s that I had. Bung that on there, and I had an old 3-inch, another bit. So just basically making a 90 down there. Obviously, the ideal world, I should just buy a 5-inch to 3-inch tapered stainless steel thing, but I'm sure that's going to be 15-20 quid off eBay. And as I said, we're a bit hit and miss about whether we actually like this back box or not. I think it would look really good one day with some twin exhausts, but for now, we're just going to stick with this. So I think we'll just unbolt it. And we'll just, you can see what I was trying to do there. Not nice, but it will be function over form. Form over function. Function over form. So yeah, let's get it off. Yes, would have been nicer if I had ramps, but hey ho. One thing I did notice, a little bit of water in there. Luckily it's stainless, but that's obviously where just a rear pipe just sort of angles up slightly. It just catches the water in it when I'm pushing the back end out of rain. We'll just drill a hole in the bottom of the exhaust and let it drain off. That'll be fine, won't it? Sorry, the welder's on. I shall try and speak up. So quite a simple task. All we're going to do is try and fold the old exhaust tailpipe, fold it, cut it, and try and make it meet up and seal it. Yes, turn away now if you can't stand it. Trev, from Trev's blog, if you're watching this, I do apologise. But yeah, it'll do. So we get our helmet on now and wire that all up. Looks pretty, doesn't it? Definitely suits Frankenstein at the moment. Okay, we smashed that, haven't we? What a proper job we done there. So yeah, bit of satin black on there, obviously. Should do the whole can really, but we can always touch that up once it's on the car. Okay, the trouble with working outside is you end up chatting to your neighbours for a bit, so I lost a bit of time there. Anyway, time to get this beauty back on. So one of the rubbers underneath is split, so we've got a new one for that. And then we haven't got a rear mount made yet as well. I don't think I've got time to make that, but we'll hang that off the bottom of the radiator. subframe at some point. Yeah, find a bit of lube, see if we can squeeze a rub on. Look at that quality. Oh, that looks better in black, doesn't it? Hey? So yeah, I'll have a look in a minute, see if we've got time. Obviously again, for moving down the unit, I've lost all my, I had some little leftover bars and stuff from the exhaust mounts. So basically we need to come off here and go to the bottom of the, there's a little frame there that we use to mount the so yeah, could just do with a bit more support. But let's see, I don't think it's going to sound any better, but at least it's, all the exhaust is coming out the back now. Okay, for anyone that thinks, oh, it was my launch control that's causing problems, it's definitely causing some of the problems because I've just configured it wrong. But definitely the month before we were moving over here with the trailer and everything like that, there was always bogging down. It was really struggled to even get on the trailer. So we definitely had some problems, and I think the MAF sensor has definitely helped that. It really has. Yeah, it's not completely all my fault. Some of it was. Anyway, see what else we've got to do. Sitting here now thinking for the end of the day. I've got a few minutes. Been thinking about the dash, and now if we're going to try and get this road legal, I'm thinking just having a roll cage here with a few things obviously ain't going to work, is it? More stuff they see, more things babies can hit their heads on. So two options, well, three options, even though I've ruined it. One option would be to try and get a Subaru dashboard back and fitted. Obviously the dial's fitted. Other option is to get a Metro dash, again, which I've thrown away, fit that in. Or I can get like a fiberglass dashboard that's got some curves on it. I've had one before, sort of like a little race dashboard. I think you can get them for the minis anyway, with a little sort of centre console. I think the curvatures on those are okay for babies' heads and IVA. But obviously I just don't know if it's designed to fit a mini or not. It is designed to fit a mini. Or we make something as well. So the fourth option is we make something. But yeah, I definitely think we should tidy all this up so it's all hidden, all looks lovely, and everyone's none the wiser. Views, everyone. Views. Still don't know what I'm having for tea. Okay, I'm sitting here thinking, contemplating switches, dashboard now. I need to go get the metal gussets from the container. Yeah, lots to do, and we need to crack on. I need to get a few days off work soon. Definitely, I'm going to book a few days off and spend a bit of time on this instead of just some random hours. But anyway, I think we're going to have leftover pork for tea and some. The Tesco's do these honey half-baked rolls that you cook, and yeah, very nice. So that's what we're having. Yeah, that's it. Sorry, we got one job done anyway. Not the best job. As I said, we're going to replace the exhaust at some point, but for now, job done. That works. We move on. So if you want to support me, check out the description. Hit the like button is always appreciated. And we shall see you maybe again before the end of the week.